Hello students, good morning. My name is Hetal Kanani. Our today's lecture is about paper solving of terminal exam 1. First question A. For each of the given questions, choose the correct option. First number कृषिकः हलं कुत्र नयति. कृषिकः हलं कुत्र नयति. The answer is kshetram nayati. Kshetram nayati. Second number कः क्षेत्रे बीजं वपति. कः क्षेत्रे बीजं वपति. Correct option is T. कृषिकः. Number 3 जनाः किं कुर्वन्ति. जनाः किं कुर्वन्ति. The correct answer is जनाः उपहासं कुर्वन्ति. जना उपहासं कुर्वन्ति. Number 4 पक्षी कुत्र गच्छति. पक्षी कुत्र गच्छति. The correct answer is आकाशे. Number 5 चोरद्वयं कुत्र लुण्ठनं करोति. चोरद्वयं कुत्र लुण्ठनं करोति. The correct answer is वित्तकोशे. वित्तकोशे. Number 6 चटकः कुत्र विहरति. चटकः कुत्र विहरति. The correct answer is आकाशे. Number 7 कः वञ्चकः अस्ति. कः वञ्चकः अस्ति. The correct answer is शृगालः. शृगालः. Number 8 अजा कुत्र गच्छति. अजा कुत्र गच्छति. The correct answer is वनं. वनं. Number 9 एकदा शृगालः कुत्र गच्छति. एकदा शृगालः कुत्र गच्छति. A वनं. वनम is the right answer. Number 10 शृगालः किं पश्यति. शृगालः किं पश्यति. The correct answer is D द्राक्षाफलम. द्राक्षाफलम. Question number 1B. Match the following. Match the following. First is हंसः. हंसः श्वेतः. हंसः श्वेतः. कोकिलः. कोकिलः कृष्णः. कृष्णः. शुकः. शुकः हरितः. हरितः. मयूरः. मयूरः चित्रितः. चित्रितः. Question number 1C. Fill in the blanks. There are given some words into bracket. You have to choose the correct word from it. नीडे कूजसि अधुना कृपया पृष्ठतः बुभुक्षया. First blank is चटकः डैश निवसति. चटकः डैश निवसति. The correct answer is नीडे. Number 2 चिर्वं चिर्वं डैश त्वं विहग. चिर्वं चिर्वं डैश त्वं विहग. The correct answer is कूजसि. चिर्वं चिर्वं कूजसि त्वं विहग. Number 3 तर्हि डैश द्वे यन्त्रे ददातु. तर्हि कृपया द्वे यन्त्रे ददातु. Number 4 एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणं डैश भविष्यति. एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणम् अधुना भविष्यति. पिपासया डैश वनं गच्छति. पिपासया डैश वनं गच्छति. बुभुक्षया. बुभुक्षया वनं गच्छति. अग्रतः पश्यति डैश पश्यति. अग्रतः पश्यति पृष्ठतः पश्यति. Next question number 2. Question number 2A. Answer the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. First question, why does the fox go to the forest? Why does the fox go to the forest? The answer is Shrugalasya pipasa bubuksha cha stha. Shrugalasya pipasa bubuksha cha stha. It means because he is thirsty and hungry. Number 2, where does sparrow live? Where does sparrow live? The answer is Chataka Nide Nivasati. Chataka Nide Nivasati. It means sparrow lives in a nest. Number 3, why is the child sad? Why is the child sad? The answer is Balakasya Mata Pitaroha Iha na staha. Balakasya Mata Pitaroha Iha na staha. It means child's parents are not there. Number 4, what is the speciality in machine? What is the speciality in machine? Answer is Yantram Visheshtaha Panchashat Pratishatam Karyabharam Alpam Karishyati. It means machine will less your workload 50%. Number 5, when is the water flowing? When is the water flowing? Answer is Megho Varshati Pravahati Niram. Megho Varshati Pravahati Niram. It means it is raining, then after water is flowing. Where does the farmer sow seeds? Question number 6. Where does the farmer sow seeds? Answer is Vrishabham Nayati Halam Api Vahati Kshetram Karshati Bijam Cha Vapati. The rain is falling and then after farmer sow seeds. Number 7. What happens when the fox does not get grapes? What happens when fox does not get grapes? The answer is Srugalasya Swedaha Jayate Shramaha Jayate Labhate Na. He sweats and gets tired. Whose mouth waters after seeing the grapes? Number 8. Question number 8. Whose mouth waters after seeing the grapes? Shrugalasya Tanmukhe Rasah Jayate. The fox mouth waters after seeing the grapes. Question number 2b. Find out the true meaning of the given words. Find out the true meaning of the given words. First, Meghaha. Meghaha. There are two options, cloud or water. Which is the correct option? Cloud. Meghaha, it means cloud. Krishikaha, it means farmer. Sasyam, it means corn. Krishikaha, it means farmer. Sasyam, it means corn. Sasyam, it means corn. Next word, Swedaha. Swedaha, it means sweat. Sweat. Utpati. Utpatati, it means jumping. Jumping. And the last word, Dvivaram. Dvivaram, it means twice. Twice. Question number 2c. Write the time given below in Sanskrit. Write the time given below in Sanskrit. Seven o'clock. It means Saptavadanam. Saptavadanam. Second, 6 o'clock. Means Shadvadanam. Shadvadanam. Third one, 4 o'clock. It means Chaturvadanam. Chaturvadanam. Then 8 o'clock means Ashtavadanam. Ashtavadanam. Then 5 o'clock, it means Panchavadanam. Panchavadanam. Then 9, it means Navvadanam. Navvadanam. Now question number 2D. Make sentence by using words given in the brackets. There are 2 words given in the brackets and you have to use this word and make the sentence. Chhatra dash dash ichhati. And there are 2 words, path and pat. So, Chhatra patham pathati ichhati. Second one, Shikshakah dash dash ichhati katha kathaya. Shikshakah katham kathayati ichhati. Third one, Sarla dash dash ichhati. Krida or krida. Sarla kridam kridaite ichhati. Pranav dash dash ichhati. Chitra rachay. Pranav chitram rachayte ichhati. Now question number 3a. Write the following numbers in Sanskrit words. Write the following numbers in Sanskrit words. 18. It means Ashtadash. 33 means Trayasti Trinshat. Trinshat, it means 33. 19, it means Navdash. 45, it means Pancha Chatvarinshata. 27 means Saptavinshati. 48, it means Ashta Chatvarinshata. 38, Ashta Trinshata. 17 means Saptadash. Saptadash. Now question number 3b. Write the English meaning of the words. Write the English meaning of the words. First one, Dalam. Dalam, it means team. Second one, Panchashat. Panchashat, it means 50. 50. Third one, Vittakosh. Vittakosh, it means bank. Fourth one, Apanika. Apanika, it means shop. Now question number 3c. Find out the opposite words. Find out the opposite words. First, Atra, Tatra. Its opposite word is Tatra. Prashnam, Uttaram. Prashnam, Uttaram. Gacchati, Agacchati. Gacchati, Agacchati. Agratah, Pushtatah. Agratah, Pushtatah. Now, translate the following verses into English. Question number 3d. Translate the following verses into English. Megho varshati pravahati niram. Krushyati krushikah gacchati gostham. It is raining, water is falling, the farmer getting satisfied and he is going to cattle yard. It is raining, water is falling, the farmer is getting satisfied and he is going to the cattle yard. Next one, second. Nide nivasasi sukhendayase khadasi fallani madhurani. Nide nivasasi sukhendayase khadasi fallani sukhani khadasi fallani madhurani. Translate into English. You live in a nest, fly easily, eat sweet fruits. You live in a nest, fly easily and eat sweet fruits. Now question number 3E. Translate the following sentences into English. Translate the following sentences into English. First one, एकविंशति धावनाङ्कः, it means 21 runs. Second, तृतीयक्रीडायाम् अधिकं नास्ति. तृतीयक्रीडायाम् अधिकं नास्ति, it means he has no more runs in the third match. He has no more runs in the third match. Third one, एषा घटी अस्ति. It means this is a clock. This is a clock. Fourth one, घटी मध्ये एषा लघुसूची. घटी मध्ये एषा लघुसूची. It means this is the hour hand in the clock. It shows hours. Laghusuchi means shorthand. Shorthand for hour hand in the clock. Now question number 4. Complete the following verses. Complete the following verses. First is chatak chatak dash 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 vihaga. So complete these verses. Chatak chatak re chatak chirvam chirvam kujasi tvam vihaga. Okay. Second one, rohati sasyam dash 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 manukula vruddhi. Rohati sasyam dash 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 manukula vruddhi. So rohati sasyam falati prananam. रोहति सस्यम फलति प्रकामम भवति समृद्धि मनुकुल वृद्धि. भवति समृद्धि मनुकुल वृद्धि. Question number 4B. Read the following phrases and write them in numbers and words in the table. First one, Shivasya netrani. Shivasya netrani. How many eyes of Lord Shiva? 3. So write 3 number in Sanskrit and write word in Sanskrit. 3, Trini. Vasaraha. How many days in a week? Vasaraha, it means days. 7. Sapta. Okay. Ravanasya mastakani. Ravanasya mastakani, it means head of Ravan. 10 heads, right? 10, it means dasha. Now Pandava. How many Pandavas there are there? 5. Pancha. Trayana Shashakanna Karna. It means ears of 3 rabbits. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Shad. 6 ears of 3 rabbit. Manavasya netre. Manavasya netre, it means human eyes. How many eyes we have? 2. Dvi. 2 and dvi. Okay students, this was our paper solution. Now we will meet in our next lecture. Till then, take care.